In this lesson, I will explain to you that how you can make the scatter plots and to find out correlation coefficient using Microsoft Excel. So here I have taken two variables, one is x-axis and the other is on the y-axis. As I have told you that you have to take independent variables on the x-axis and this is the dependent variable. We can make any scenario. Suppose this is our advertising and these are our sales, all figures are in thousands. Suppose if you spend 10,000 in an advertisement, then we have a sale of 40,000. Similarly, if we spend 30,000 on our advertisement, the sale is 60,000 and so on. So how we will make the scatter graph? First of all, you have to select the data, go to the insert tab, and insert tab, this is the chart group, click on the chart, and here we have different type of line charts, but we are looking for scatter, so this is the scatter, right? If we join, see on in the x-axis, on x-axis we have advertising, on y-axis we have sales. So sales is the dependent variable while advertisement is the independent variable. So if we join all these points, see, if we make a line, so the line will be a straight line but few points, this point, this point, you can join and check it, right? It will be like this. These few points will not on the line, but with the help of line we can say this is the strong correlation between these two variables, and the correlation ranges between -1 to +1. If it increases, if one variable increases, the other also increases, it means there is a positive correlation between two variables, but not +1 because there are few points which are not on the line. So you have to find out what is the exact correlation between them. Wherever you want to find out the answer, suppose I want to take my answer here, correlation, click here, go to the formulas tab, and here is the more functions, click on more functions, then in statistical you have to find out correlation, CORREL correlation, click here, you will see the dialog box will open with the array 1 and array 2. In array 1 you have to click on the independent variable, which is the x-axis, come on to the array 2, and then you have to select the y and click. So we will see, if I will bold it so you will see easily. So the relation is correlation between these two variables between advertising and sales is 0.95, right? Why it is not +1? Because there are few points which are not on the line, so the correlation is strong, but it is 0.95. We will consider one more example here. Again we have two variables x and y. Suppose this I say, if you miss one class then your grade is 90%, if you miss three classes then your grade is 80%, and so on. Means if one variable increases, the other decreases. In the first case both variables were increasing. In this case our one variable, our independent variable, increases while dependent variable decreases. So when I will make the graph, go to the insert and from chart click this one, right? In this case when you will join all these points, right, so these points will close to each other but all the points will not on the straight line, and it is like in this direction. It means if one variable here increases, the other decreases. It's a negative correlation. But what is the correlation? It is not -1, right? But what is the correlation? Go to the formulas, more function, statistical, and then same correlation. In array 1 you have to select the independent variable, here you have to select the dependent variable, and I will bold it so you will see the relationship is -0.99. It is not -1, it is -0.99 because few points are not on the line. So in this lesson you have learned how you can make the scatter plots and correlation coefficient using the Microsoft Excel. So practice it. If you have any question, ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.